Hello. Kind of a iterative PSA update here on Blobby building dashboards. We've made a few refinements since the last time we checked in on this. Mostly this is going to be just like looks prettier, but one thing worth pointing out, I'm not going to reprompt it, so I can just kind of go straight there. But rather than printing out all of the queries and visualizations that it does during the process of making a dashboard, it does that all in the background in parallel. So this part goes a little faster now. And the dashboards, they look better. So I think previously we were in a state where the general reaction was kind of like, not bad. And I think we've taken a step beyond that and gotten to a point where this kind of looks pretty good. So we have multi-page support here, the container support, and the spacing is a lot better. Jared and Nate and Dan have all landed different things that have contributed to the kind of final output here. But the visualization colors are a lot better, and KPIs look better. Blobby can group these things into single tiles if it decides to. It didn't do that, I don't think, in any of the charts here, but it has some flexibility to decide when it should kind of group multiple charts into one tile format. Yeah, basically just things look prettier. This is kind of continuing to make progress, and I'll leave it there.